Hi, thank you for tuning in to this Artist at Home tutorial. My name is Tiffany and I'm the Program Associate at A-Step. At A-Step we bring social, emotional, and mindfulness skills to children all around the world. And as teaching artists, we believe that it's very important for us to practice those skills before we bring them into the classroom. For today, I'm going to be leading us through a breathing exercise to connect us with the mindfulness practice, and then we'll go into an art activity. So for our breathing exercise today, we're going to be doing what I like to call a crashing wave breathing, or what's also known as an ocean breathing. So we're going to place one hand on our chest and one hand on our stomach. We're going to take a deep breath in through our nose and hold it and let it out through our mouth. And when we let it out through our mouth, we're making that crashing wave on the shore sound, or that ocean wave sound. So we're going to do two more of those. We're going to breathe in through our nose. Hold it. Breathe out. One more. Hold. Great. That breathing is really helpful for me in moments where I need to reconnect with my breathing and when I need to connect with the energy that I'm feeling in that moment. So now we're going to move into our art activity.